Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Gymstick tip is going to be an exercise where we're going to work our midsection, but we're also going to incorporate upper body and lower body lying on our backs. So with this exercise, it's a great full body workout, but with a focus on abdominals. So if you're really keen to do Gymstick the way we've designed it with the trios, the best way to go about it is to purchase the music from powermusic.com. Gymstick has chosen to go with Power Music as our preferred music supplier, and they've done a fantastic job with editing music for us. So it's within the timings that we normally use, and in reference to the comments I'm making about how long you do each exercise for. It takes the stress out of looking at your watch and working out how long you've actually exercised for. So powermusic.com, type in Gymstick in the search bar and you'll come up with all our releases. Okay, so let's start. First exercise. We're going to line our backs. Make sure that you have a little bit of tension on the Gymstick, because we're going to start with arms first. Normally we just start with legs, but today we're starting with the arms. So lying on your back, bend your knees at 90 degrees, making sure that your knees are directly above the hips and the feet are in line with your knees. So it's what we call tabletop position. Hands in an overhand position, start to stick at your chin. You're going to stretch the arms back over the head and then come back in again. So in doing this, your legs will feel like they need to move, but work through the resistance and keep your legs as still as possible while taking the arms right over the head so that the knuckles touch the floor. Make sure that you position your hands nice and wide for this. The closer your hands are together, the more you'll feel it specifically in the shoulders. When you go wider, you start also incorporating use of the muscles of the back, and overall you'll feel a lot stronger. So nice wide grip. So we perform this exercise for 30 seconds and we have a little 10-second break. After the 10-second break, we're going to add an abdominal curl when the arms are over the head. So you're going to push the stick back, breathe out, come up, breathe in, come down, relax. You can also lift the pelvic floor with this exercise really effectively. Like, it's really interesting how, if you know how to do a pelvic floor lift, this really helps. So, pelvic floor lift as the arms go back, breathe as you come up, come back down, and then relax the pelvic floor. You can also contract your deep abdominals really effectively with this. It's almost like the bands give you some sort of kinesthetic awareness about what you're doing. So we do this exercise for 30 seconds. We have another little 10-second break, and then we add the legs. Now this is definitely the hardest of the three, and with Gymstick and the trios, that's the way it's designed, that we progressively get more intense, and we do 30 seconds of each exercise. So make sure that you straighten your legs out, keep your feet together, keep your legs still as you perform the upper body, shoulder press and abdominal curl. Ooh, you really feel this throughout the entire system, which is fantastic. Then, after doing 30 seconds of that, there's a 20-second break in the music where you get to rest again, and then you start performing all of the exercises all over again for a second round. Really great upper body workout because you're starting off with your shoulders and that stays consistent throughout the exercise. And then we incorporate the abdominals and then the legs. It's almost like it works from the top down. And that's this week's Gymstick tip.